Viltrumites are the most powerful being in the universe. They can survive nukes, fly through space, and tear planets apart. However, even they are not. Here are some of the things that can kill a Viltrumite in the invincible universe. First is Space Ranger and the Infinity Ray Gun. So, first we have the Space Ranger along with his deadly weapon called the Infinity Ray Gun. So, Space Ranger was first mentioned in the Omni-Man's books. So, during his fight with Omni-Man, Space Ranger was buried under 1,000 tons of space rocks for at least 100 years. When Omni-Man and Alan came back to retrieve the Infinity Ray Gun, they discovered Space Ranger was still alive. Omni-Man also explained the Infinity Ray Gun was a devastating weapon which will not stop till it completely annihilates its target. Second, the shell of a Sinlac beetle. Sinlac beetles are usually small and harmful creatures. However, they are one of the biggest weaknesses of Viltrumites. These small creatures have a special compound in their shells that makes Viltrumites vulnerable to physical damage. We see Omni-Man and Alan went to pick up these beetles, which will prove to be a useful weapon in their war against Viltrumites. The Geldarians. Geldarians are a race of super intelligent but physically weak beings. To compensate for their lack of physical strength, every Geldarian is equipped with one of the strongest weapons in the universe, the Tech Jacket. This makes Geldarians one of the strongest enemies for the Viltrumites. When Alan and Omni-Man went to Geldarians for help, Nolan reveals that Geldarians were too strong for the remaining Viltrumites. We have already seen the strength of Tech Jacket earlier in the series when he helped Earth against one of the variants of Invincible. Fourth, the Rognar. Rognars are one of the scariest creatures in the Invincibles universe. In Omni Man's book, we saw Rognar defeating a Voltramite. One of the reasons behind the Rognar's strength is the strong gravity of their planet. To suppress this threat, the Viltrumites positioned a giant disk in front of the sun which ultimately froze majority of the Rognars and their planet. In the series, we saw how Alan and Omni-Man were overpowered easily when fighting against multiple Rognars. Fifth, the Scourge virus. One of the deadliest and surefire way of killing a Viltrumite is the Scourge virus. In the series, we saw how Scourge virus wiped out billions of Viltrumites, leaving fewer than 50 pure-blooded Viltrumites alive. The virus spreads very fast, killing the Viltrumites almost instantly before any symptoms are noticed. Some Viltrumites, like Omni-Man, manage to recover from the virus. However, after being unable to find a cure, the Empire shifted their focus to begin looking for a species that is capable of breeding with the Viltrumites.